it's spooky season right now.
Yeah.
What movies are you guys watching, or what movies have you watched? Because I want to watch some. Oh, it's ready.
Wait. Okay.
First, we have our almond.
Almonds.
We ground them up. Yeah.
Yeah. It's okay.
Now,
And then
powdered sugar.
powder sugar, which is smellies.
In Norwegian. Then we have our zest.
Lemon skin, which has been grounded.
Yeah. And then we mix. Look at that.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
Mix for that.
Now we mix this well.
Mm.
Ooh.
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 Mix. Mix. I can see some man there under there. With those hands of yours.
We're in the egg whites.
Egg whites.
Yummers. Give that a short little
Mix.
and then we can just dump in the butter.
Little.
Little my butt.
Ah. Okay.
Okay. Well, that was a lot. Okay, guys, we're gonna mix.
I think it's still going to be water like last time.
No.
Doesn't look
Maybe
like
if
that.
you wouldn't have added it all in one time.
No, that doesn't make a difference.
It doesn't.
Okay.
Next step.
Done. Now
Pouring
next step
it in
is putting
here.
it in the forms.
Yeah.
Let's do the pink one.
No, the spoon.
Okay.
Use the soup
We're
spoon.
gonna do about one of this spoon
Yeah.
per cup.
Because you have to let it raise.
Yeast. There's no yeast.
Yeah, but it does rise.
Oh yeah, it does.
You don't
No,
remember?
You actually.
It blows up.
It
Yeah.
explodes.
Nine.
Okay.
Oh,
Okay. Y'all, we're gonna put some blueberries on top.
yeah. Just put one spoon. Make sure you don't carry the water. There's water inside that cup, isn't it?
Yeah.
Maybe a little bit difficult for the recipe.
Ska vi trälla nu om Terrifier till jag smell too? Kom.
Lift it up.
Thanks.
You said you wanted some blueberry inside, no?
Yeah, but it doesn't really matter. Food is food.
Okay.
Ifølge Nina. Also, you need a pan to put these in, so I'm just gonna use this one. Guys, it's the month of... It's spooky season right now.
Yeah.
What movies are you guys watching, or what movies have you watched? Because I want to watch some.
Yeah, what was the one you were talking about, Terrifier?
Yeah, Terrifier. It's terrifying.
It's about...
It's about this really weird clown who just goes around and kills people for no reason.
Yeah.
Which is bad.
So October is horror film.
Yeah.
Mom?
I also watched Smile. Smile is really good. It has good concept, plotline, everything.
Okay.
I don't think you should watch Terrifier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
Guys, in the oven for how long, Mama?
20 minutes.
20 minutes. See y'all.
200.
Oh, it's ready.
We have
Oh
to
my
have
god,
some
my
bread.
babies.
My baby, oh. Do you know that song?
Okay. Guys.
Should we crack this one open?
No, we
No,
started
this small
cake.
one.
Wait.
This is so still water.
Huh?
She was just saying some nonsense.
Yeah.
Now
Let's
we're
take that.
slaughtering cupcakes.
I'm gonna dig into this one.
Let's crack this one open.
Wow. Oh my god, you guys. Look at this goodness.
Perfect crust. Perfect crust. Perfect everything. Look at this.
Taste test.
Okay.
Now let's take a little sample of this cupcake. Look at that. Perfect consistency. Look at the wall compared to the rest of the cupcake. The purple from the blueberry. And the blueberry with the lemon zest. One?
Let's open one. Let me open this pink one.
Can
so
I
y'all
take... Can I... Oh, you peel it very well. I wanted to film it.
Look,
I can
guys.
peel in.
This is how the cake looks. It's so beautiful.
And this is the process of peeling it.
Oh, that's also really pretty.
Perfect.
Guys, let me
That's
get it.
why you should always put the right amount of butter. Then it will glide out beautifully.
Look at that, guys. Guys, when you break it, you can see the lemon skin.